Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.
5 ducks and hippopotamus. In a shimmering pond where the lilies bloom bright, 5 little ducks quacked from morning till night. They waddled and splashed in their jovial spree, while the sun cast its glow on their world of glee. But one day appeared, with a plop and a splash, a hefty old hippo, what a crash! With skin like gray armor and eyes big as moons, he settled right down to disrupt all their tunes. Quack, said the first duck, flapping wings with alarm. What's this hulking creature? Is he here for our charm? The second duck trembled, but whispered quite low, perhaps he just seeks friends. We never could know. The third duck took courage and paddled up near. Excuse me, dear hippo, what brings you right here? With a grin that was wide, though his teeth shone like knives, he replied in a rumble that startled their lives. I've wandered alone through the marshes so wide, and I'm weary of journeys, I long for some pride. These waters are lovely, they call out my name, but friendship is what makes this life worth the same. The fourth duck then pondered as ripples flowed round. Could this giant be gentle? Could friendship be found? So they quacked all together, a chorus so sweet, inviting him softly to join in their beat. With laughter unbound and 5 hearts intertwining, they danced on the water. Joy was aligning, no longer an outsider, a bond forged anew in colors of harmony beneath skies so blue. Now 5 little ducks with their hippo unite, their voices blend freely as day turns to night. Through splashes of joy in that tranquil embrace, they taught us that love knows no size or no space.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.